Hi guys, this is Caitlin. I just wanted to show you a quick edit in Lightroom for this portrait. So first thing I'm going to do is crop, and I have an idea of what I want this photo to look like, and I usually will just kind of figure out what I want as I'm going through it. So I like to crop around this star right here, this cross. That's good. Oh, actually, let me fix that. I think that was a little. Okay. And then we're going to. I always do the exposure first, and then I do the coloring, and then yeah, that's what I do first. So I'm going to do the exposure, push that up a little bit. Open the shadows, open the blacks, and then I come down here, and this is kind of like where the magic happens. So my highlight, let's see, that up a little bit, keep that down here. Okay, so that's kind of the idea of what I want. That down, that back in. Oh, I don't really play with the whites very often. Yeah, that's cool. And then I'm going to take the white balance and just make it a bit warmer. I'm going to come down here to the split toning, and usually I just kind of go halfway. Saturation, I just find a good color for a skin tone. That was good to me. That good. To me, the greens look a little blue, so I'm going to take that down and the green, and just push the hue down just a little bit. As you can see, like that's a blue, which isn't like bad if you go like this, but I kind of want it a little bit like that. And then just put that down a little bit. There we go. Alright, so let's see. I think I like that. I don't love the crop, like I want to fix it. So I'm gonna fix it right now. I might have to unlock this. I usually keep that locked to keep the aspect how I want it, but I just don't love. Maybe I'll go like that. See, I feel like with the eyes, like where the eyes go, it's kind of like where your crop goes, so I could flip it and see how it looks, but I'm just gonna keep it like that. There, that's better. Okay, so this is the before, and this is the after. Pretty simple and really fun to do in Lightroom. Thanks for watching.